Drop 2 points into an empty void, and human instinct demands we connect them using the shortest possible path, a perfectly straight line. But imagine a space where a straight diagonal line is strictly forbidden, a space governed by a rigid set of orthogonal rules, where you can only move at exact right angles. We actually navigate this kind of constrained space every day. Think of a planned city map full of physical buildings and intersections, where a taxicab has to weave through a grid of streets. In environments like this, moving from point A to point B as the crow flies is physically impossible. Your movement is dictated entirely by the rules of the grid you exist within. So if you want to reach your destination using only horizontal and vertical roads, how do you find the fastest route? This animated grid shows 2 points separated by several city blocks. We can trace a stair-step path between them, alternating turns, and count the total distance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blocks. Now let's try a totally different route. We can move entirely horizontally first, and then entirely vertically. If we count the blocks on this L-shaped path, we get exactly 7 blocks again. Even though these paths take wildly different physical routes, avoiding different obstacles along the way, their total distance is mathematically identical. This is the defining feature of what mathematicians call taxicab geometry. The concept of a single, unique shortest path disappears, replaced by a universal fixed distance determined strictly by the structure of the grid. To understand the mechanics of this, we need to leave the physical city metaphor behind and look at a pure mathematical environment. This 2D coordinate plane displays 2 points. We can mechanically isolate the horizontal distance traveled simply by calculating the difference between their 2 x-coordinates. We do the exact same thing to isolate the vertical distance, calculating the difference between the 2 y-coordinates. Let's use concrete numbers. If our first point sits at coordinates 1, 2, and our destination is at 4, 6, subtracting the x-coordinates gives us a horizontal length of 3. Subtracting the y-coordinates gives us a vertical length of 4. Summing those 2 values together proves that the total distance, formerly known as the Manhattan distance, is 7. There is one mechanical problem here. If a path requires you to move left along the x-axis or down along the y-axis, basic subtraction produces a negative number. A physical distance cannot be negative. To solve this, we use the absolute value function. This is an algebraic tool that strips away the positive or negative direction of the movement, preserving only the raw magnitude of the distance. So the Manhattan distance is simply defined as the sum of the absolute differences between coordinates. It turns the physical constraints of a grid into a flawless algebraic formula. The formalization of this non-Euclidean geometry dates back to the late 19th century, championed by mathematician Hermann Minkowski. As this diagram rotates into 3D space, it shows how easily Minkowski's metric expands. You just add a z-axis and append the absolute difference of those z-coordinates to your equation. Because the formula is entirely additive, it scales indefinitely. It works for 4D, 5D, and all the way to n dimensions, creating a universal summation rule. This scalability allows mathematicians and computer scientists to reliably measure distance in hyperdimensional data spaces, realms where normal human spatial intuition completely breaks down. This split-screen visualization compares both geometric philosophies directly. The Euclidean side requires computationally heavy operations, squaring coordinate differences, summing, and extracting square roots. The Manhattan side strips that away, requiring only integer subtraction, absolute value extraction, and basic addition. When an algorithm processes massive datasets, trains AI clustering models, or calculates thousands of logistical routes, doing basic addition is drastically faster than calculating square roots. In high-dimensional computing environments where processing speed and hardware efficiency dictate success, the mechanical simplicity of Manhattan distance makes it the superior choice.